Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, welcome to my presentation. My name is Iip Siti Nafisa and I'm a student from Class C majoring in Development Economic, the Faculty of Economics and Business, University of Siliwangi. The topic of my presentation today, I'd like to talk you about the job search challenge for fresh graduate in Tasikmalaya. Before I get into the main discussion of the presentation, I want to give a brief overview of the structure of my presentation today. I have organized my discussion into 7 case points. First of all, I will start with the definition of fresh graduate. After that, I will cover the background. Moving on the third point, I will clearly detail the purpose of our discussion. This will set the stage for the fourth point, where I will explain the methodology used in the research. As we continue, the 5 points will present the result of my research supported by relevant statistics and data. Next, in the sixth part, I will shift focus to solution. And finally, in the seventh points, I will conclude this research. Now that you have a general idea, let's start with the first point, definition of fresh graduate. Let's start. What is the fresh graduate? Fresh graduate is a term used to describe someone who has just completed their formal education, bachelor or diploma, and is entering the world of work for the first time. A fresh graduate usually does not have significant work experience in a field related to their field of study. In the second point, I will explain the background of this research. Tasikmalaya is a city that continues to develop, offers significant employment potential. However, fresh graduates often face difficulty in understanding the local job market, adapting to job recruitment, and building a strong network. In this context, a deep understanding of this issue is important to help fresh graduates achieve success in their career. The third point regarding the purpose of this research is to identify the main challenge by fresh graduates in their job search in Tasikmalaya. Additionally, the objective is to formulate effective strategies to overcome this challenge. Moving on the fourth point, the research methodology that I use, interview and questionnaire surveys. I face-to-face interview with fresh graduates who have just entered the world of work. Structured questions are asked to understand personal experience, challenges faced, and strategies applied in searching for work. This interview provides individual in-depth consent to fresh graduate job search journey, and a total of 17 fresh graduate respondents from various major and campus filled or especially designer questionnaire. The questionnaire includes questions about common job search challenges, job expectation, and suggestions for improving the job search process for the fresh graduate. The 5 point will discuss the research result. The interview was conducted with Yustiana Kamila, a graduate of STIS Realaya Tasikmalaya majoring in management. As a recent graduate, she faced various challenges in finding a job. Despite having a strong educational background, she recognized how tight the competition is the world of work. The first step she took after graduating was to build a portfolio that reflected her project and achievement. Although she has submitted many job applications, competition remains a major obstacle in getting the job she wants. To stay relevant, she actively kept up technological development. Yustiana also remained optimistic that by continuing to develop her skill and positive attitude, she can achieve her career goals by showcasing experience such as in internship. For her, every challenge in her job search an opportunity to grow and learn. From the result of the questionnaire, it seemed that the most dominant factor influencing the difficulty of fresh graduates in finding work is intense competition, with 41.2% of respondents mentioning this as the main challenge. This may reflect the high competition in the job market and the difficulty of differentiating oneself among a large number of job seekers. In addition, high qualification recruitment were also identified as a significant barrier by 29.4% of respondents. This shows that there are high expectations from employers regarding educational qualification and experience, which can be a challenge for fresh graduates who have just entered the world of work. Lack of experience and lack of specific skill each account for 11.8%, highlighting the importance of developing skill and gaining specifically experience during education or through internship. Meanwhile, 5.9% of respondents identified a mismatch between major and available job as a factor in difficulties. This may indicate the importance of considering major selection and the relevance of education to job market demands. Overall, the result of this questionnaire reflect the complexity of the challenge fresh graduate face and effective job search strategy may involve a combination of skill development, seeking practical experience, and matching skill to exciting job requirements. And the survey results indicate that the majority of respondents, accounting for 6.7%, find it difficult to secure a job matching their field of study. Conversely, 35.3% of respondents perceive it relatively easy to find a job aligned with their academic background. This may reflect challenges faced by graduates in translating their knowledge into the workforce or perhaps a mismatch between the demands of the job market and the skill acquired during their studies. Furthermore, the sixth point regarding the solution of this research is improve your qualification and skill relevant to your area of interest. In addition to earning a bachelor degree or diploma, consider undergoing additional training, obtaining certification, or developing skills that are sought after in the industry. The higher the skill level, the greater the opportunity to compete effectively. Next, understanding job market and industry trends. Do research on the industry you are targeting, understand current trend, company needs, and recruit skill. With a good understanding of job market condition, you can adapt and highlight your strength. Last, build a network present. Utilize the network to gather information about job opportunities, attend industry events, seminar, online internship, or professional meeting where you can meet individuals working in your desired field. A strong network can open new doors and provide access to job opportunities to might not be public at first stage. And yeah, we have arrived at the final discussion, the conclusion of the result of this research. The job search for fresh graduate in Tasikmalaya presents significant challenges, particularly in terms of job information access, skill alignment, and the absence of professional network. Therefore, effort should be directed towards enhancing transparency in job information, developing training programs that cater to local industry needs, and facilitating the formation of professional network by addressing the challenge. It is anticipated the job prospect for fresh graduates will improve, contributing to economic growth in the city of Tasikmalaya. Thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Let's explore brilliant ideas together that can change the world. Until next time, stay inspired. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.